Hello everybody, today we pick up oregano. This oregano I pick up every year. This is my brother garden. And today I want to pick up, okay, after we got dry, and I want to show everybody the dried oregano and the way I do. And like this everybody can do the same. It's really good. Now, the cutter, I start the cutter, the stem of the oregano. And I got over here, and you cut like this. All the same, almost the same size, and you cut it. When you smell this oregano, look at this. It's really good smell. Yeah, I want to take it out before the bees start to eat all my oregano. When I was in Orsara, I was 10, 11 years old, still 30 years old, and we was going to mound. And we was do the oregano. After I was go, and I was sell this. We was make money like this. We can go look the movie, or we can buy ice cream. A lot of time you say to your father, your mother, I need 10 cents to go buy the ice cream. Go for oregano. Make oregano you sell, and you buy ice cream. Next year, you don't gotta pull. Because you pull, you take the roots out. You gotta leave the roots. Because next year, it come more. And this oregano, you can make a nice pizza. Okay, now this, we gotta tie this. I want to put it right over here on this table. Now we tie this. I do 2 bundles. I got another little rope over here. We do the same thing. And we tie over here. And now it's time. I got this hang on my rope over there. You hang up on the rope over here, but make sure every night, every single night, you gotta take out. Cause the night time it's the dampest. Ain't no one not it be wet. Okay? And you hang like this. And look. So people he was going in Italy, and you go the smallest city, I don't care big city, you can drive the oregano on the street, but you gotta watch. A lot of time you drive the oregano, you did so much work, and somebody come, thank you, Pasquale. Hey, take my oregano away. You go look, who's my oregano? The oregano disappear. Now this you gotta dry 2 to 3 days, okay? You gotta be really dry. And after we show you the way I want to do this oregano. Okay, everybody see my oregano, it's dry. I was dry for 2 days. And want to show everybody what I do with oregano when it's nice dry. You take a stamp by stamp like this, and what you do, you got one part over here, another part over there. You take the leaves, and I use gloves, and you do just like that. Look how nice clean it comes. It's the way you gotta do like this. Okay, now I did all the leaves for the oregano. Now, not think that this I throw away, because this it's the same thing. Now, I got over here nice, the table it's nice and clean, and I put right inside this parts over here. Now, maybe somebody say, hey, what do you do with this flower? No, what about? This, for me, it's the best. Okay, before I do the flower, let me do the leaves. And you squeeze like this. And like this, you know, you do by hands. I scrape like this. Look how beautiful it look already. And now this, what I do, I put it right in this jar. The oregano I keep in the refrigerator. I got some oregano in the refrigerator for 3-4 years already. Oh, it's really fresh oregano. It smells so good. Now, it's time to do the flour. But somebody, he said to me, Pasquale, I throw away the flour and I keep the leaves. You make a big mistake. The flour is the best. And you do like this. I got over here. And you do, and you scrape like that. Look at that. After If I got the strain after see you do like this. Oh, look at that. If this and now, you do like this. Look. I pass one more time for the strain, okay, I want to make sure, got all the little stick out. It look nice, it beautiful look now. It's so good. And now it's the time to put inside of the jar. I want to know, so somebody, you want some recipe make with this fresh oregano, please let me know and I'll make for you. Okay, now I want to show. This is the leaves and this is the flower. Look at difference it make this. Okay, this is for special dish and this is for cook. I want to say to everybody, thank you very much to see this recipe. I hope somebody make the same, gets really good. Make sure to not throw away the flour, gets the best. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.